Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check keyword ranking in SEMrush in 2024. So tracking your keyword performance is essential for improving your search engine visibility and also for staying ahead of the competition. So I'll basically give you a simple guide on how to see or to use tracking tools in SEMrush to help you monitor your ranking in real life. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, we will need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section and just type semrush.com and hit the enter button. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you can go to the top right corner, click on login to log in into your account if you have one, and if you don't, instead click on sign up to create an account. Of course, you will be able to use a Google account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on a dashboard like this. Now, as we said, we would like to check the keyword ranking on SEMrush. So for that, we have several tools first of all in SEMrush. So what is the one that we should be using? Of course, if we'll go as an example to this list panel, we'll find this SEO tab. As you can see, it has a lot of tools. It has competitive research tools, keyword research tools, link building, and on-page and tech SEO. So normally, to check the keyword ranking, we will use this keyword research tools in here. So what's the one that's going to suit our needs? Let's just open all of them and read as example what each of them does. So, example, this keyword overview, it will basically analyze the competitors on the SERP. As example, it will get a historical perspective, explore keyword ideas as well. For this keyword magic tool, this will basically keyword research with SEMrush. It's easy as 1, 2, and etc. So enter a topic and list the best keyword for you. Yeah. So it's basically here. If you normally type a keyword here in keyword overview, of course, you will find the information's volume, key about keyword, and etc. Key of course, the keyword difficulty. And this magic tool, basically, if you type the exact keyword, they will give you some alternatives keyword, like some similar keywords, but with lower KD. So if you go here and type like a popular keyword like recipe, fitness, codes, gaming, whatever it is, if you type it, you'll find 100% KD for sure if it's popular. But this magic tool, you can just type the right exact keyword and they will give you like this one. So example, if you type t-shirt, you will find definitely like the KD or keyword difficulty, as we said before, you'll find it's 100%. But if you type it in this keyword or in this magic tool, they'll give you this option. Like they'll give you like similar keyword like custom t-shirt, t-shirt design, printed t-shirts, funny t-shirt, t-shirt print near me. And as you can see, it will be lowered on the difficulty. So you can have access to it and start using it much better. One of these keywords instead of using the 100% because it will be very, very hard SEO and you'll need to do a lot of stuff to be, as an example, on the first page of Google. So there's even this keyword strategy builder. As an example, this will basically, as you can see, streamline your keyword research process. So save hours on manual work with AI assistants, navigate faster, and hit the ground running. Of course, if you need like any other like information from here, you can pause the video and read the rest. For this position tracking example, it will let you discover who competes with you for the target keywords, stay on top of any changes in positions, and discover who competes with you for the keyword the same. So automates your reporting about the progress examples. And the last tool for keywords example is simply this organic traffic insights. This will let you discover not provided keyword. This will let you analyze your traffic at the keyword level, will let you export keywords to other tools or Excel, and will also let you improve your SEO strategy. So it's up to you to choose whatever tool of those 5 for keywords, of course, to use for your, as example, checking the keyword ranking. So normally I would use this, as we said before in this last panel, keyword overview and start with it and look for the keyword that I'm looking for, example. So how about So as an example here, I'll just look for three keywords like tech as example. I'll just look one by one because I'm on the free plan. So if I type multiple keywords, they will not show me. So example tech and search. So example here, you'll find like all the information about it, like CPC, which is cost per click, global volume, where exactly it's the most. As example, the keyword difficulty as example in here. Other than tech, as we said, I'll look for quotes or codes as example, hit the search button. So as you can see, you'll find here also cost per click, global volume, etc. Keyword ideas. As you can see, you can find the ranking of these keywords in here. As example, depending on volume, you can even rank it depending on keyword difficulty. Here, as example, you find like questions about this keyword strategy. And the last one, as example, let's just look for gaming. Why not? And hit the enter button. So example, again, cost per click, volume, keyword difficulty, global volume, and etc. So the best, I guess, that suits our needs in here is sick one. So yeah, of course, I have too many requests because you are in the free plan. So if you're on the free plan, you will always get this option. So if you have 10 requests of different things, if you just get into different tools and etc., that means you already like surpassed the 10 requests. So I'll just go here and log in into another account and log out very fast, log in, use Google, and I'll choose one of my other account like this one as example in here. And yeah, this should be good to go. So of course you'll get 10 requests each day. So if you click on anything, it will call like a request. It will be counted as a request. Keep that in mind. Of course, if you have a free plan, you can always go and upgrade, an example, your plan so you can use it freely, or even start using the free trial, which is 7 days for free, but you'll have to enter your card's information, even if you don't have to pay anything. But of course, you'll pay a plan afterwards. So yeah, basically, what you'll need is basically keyword overview. Here you can type the keyword that you want. So as we said, like text. And yeah, I'll just go here and search. And of course, from here, as you can see, you can find the keyword difficulty. You can find the ranking of like similar keywords in here, depending on volume. You can see all the keywords if you want to. You can see even here questions. You can see here the keyword strategy. If you keep scrolling down, you find the SERP analysis example of those stuff. You can find even the bulk analysis if you want to enter multiple keywords in here. So it's totally up to you to do so. You can even see on a specific location example. Of course, they will show you like the volume, global volume, like example. So in India, it's the most, then United States, then Italy, Poland, Turkey. I guess this is South Africa, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, so and you can even here like see competitive density. So you can even export those to PDF. As example, you can export them to an Excel file. So basically here you can check the keyword rating in SEMrush, and it's up to you, of course, to even use other tools depending on whatever you want, as I showed you before what each tool like does. So yeah, that's gonna be basically it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.